Hello, back with another unboxing and review of another Karambit knife from Cuts. This one here is called the Autotronic, Autotronic, and it is $11.99. I saw this on there, and I really like the looks of the blade and the coloring of it. Again, these are CS:GO, Counter-Strike themed knives. And they do seem very well made, actually. Right now they are buy one get one on their site, on the cuts.com, CUTSS.com website. And so you can actually get two of these for $11.99 if you wanted to. And the knife's actually on sale. It's actually $18 off. So it's $11.99, you know, plus 18, you know, $29.99 basically is the original price. So you can get two of these for $11.99, which is, you know, I think nice. There is oil, I can see there like an oil on the blade and all that. But this is the knife here. Standard size, it's about 4 ounces, 19.5 centimeters. ABS handle, very nicely made, nice detail to it, I think. There's a grip, a thumb grip as well. The sheath is plastic. I'm guessing it's ABS as well, not sure, but it attaches very nicely, very securely and tightly, thanks to the little ridge here, the notch, and it connects to the sheath, the handle, like so. But this is the Autotronic, and it does have, like I said, it has like the oil on it, so it's not quite exactly as shiny as it might be if you remove the oil. But this Autotronic, the red and silver, kind of like a futuristic type of deal. These look like a vent type of thing, I guess. And the theme, you know, continues back to the ring at the back, which the gray matches that gray, of course. Very nice knife. They do come with a nice blade. They are sharp, very sharp actually. And the tip is sharp as well, so you could do some damage with these if you wanted to. These are not toys at all. Nice for collection, whatever. It's a nice knife. For the price, you can't beat this, really, in my opinion. It's a quality knife for what it is. For the price, I'm very much impressed. You know, I can highly recommend grabbing one. I mean, actually for $12 you can get two of these. And I think flat shipping was $3. So it would be $15 for two of these shipped to your door, which is a really good deal, I think. Again, Cuts knives, Karambit Autotronic. Thanks.